going down in the pipes. Remember when we chased that dog down in there?
Yeah.
Okay, you go how we went. You'll come out ahead of him, chasing back towards us. Me and Belch are gonna catch up to him. Hurry, or there'll be nothing left for you.
Go by myself, Henry?
Go by myself, Henry? Yeah, go by yourself for a dog. What are you afraid of, huh? The boogeyman?
Hardy, har, har.
Yeah, well, at least we know we're on its trail.
Maybe this is what it wants us to be.
Eddie, which way is Gary? Okay, look, Bev, you get up front, okay? We can get a clear shot. And you guys, you go stay together. No stragglers.
Hi, kid. I guess you're the first.
Who's missing?
Stan. Oh, no.
Now, before you die, I want you to think about every rock you threw and everything you said. I want you to think about that before you die.
Hey, Henry?
What was that?
Belch.